Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. Let me introduce myself. My full name is Wahyu Nurmansyah. People usually call me Wahyu. I am currently studying at the Faculty of Economics and Business, majoring in Management at UBSI. And today I will be presenting my research on Bahrain versus Indonesia match October 10, 2024 and Indonesia versus Bahrain match March 2015-2025. Bahrain versus Indonesia match October 10, 2024. The Indonesian versus Bahrain match still held at the Bahrain National Stadium ended in a controversial 2-2 draw. Indonesia conceded conceded a goal in the final minutes, losing their lead. Mohamed Mahrous scored for Bahrain in the 15 and 19 plus 8 minutes. Indonesian goals were scored by Ragnar Mangun 45, 40, 15 plus 2 and Rafael Struijk 17 for Malik Rizaldi suffered a facial injury early in the match. National football official then the Bahrain versus Indonesia match as the worst game in Group C of the 2026 World Cup qualifier. Ahmed Al-Khaif was then controversial and detrimental to Indonesia. Bahrain's equalizing goal was scored well beyond the extra time limit. Indonesia launched out a strong protest because Bahrain's equalizing goal was scored beyond the extra time limit. Indonesia versus Bahrain match March 25, 2025. Indonesia defeated Bahrain 1-0 at the Gelora Bung Karno main stadium. The only goal was scored by Oli Romani. Indonesia dominated in the early minutes, penetrating Bahrain defense from the wings, but strong to create clear chances. Indonesian coach Patrick Clifford deployed a 3-4-3 formation with J.J. Rizquierdo and Justin Hafner in defensive. Ball possession in the first half was relative even, with Indonesia controlling 49% and Bahrain 51%. Bahrain also had chances, but they were blocked by Rizquierdo. Malaysian media highlight the atmosphere at SUGBK with 78,000 fans supporting Indonesian. The craze of the sport was likened the two thunders striking the Bahrain players. Patrick Kluivert was considered successful in formation and effective strategy to neutralize Bahrain resistance. Kluivert's 3-4-3 formation was considered appropriate with Rizquierdo, Jazz and Justin Hafner in place. The Indonesian dangerous opportunity most came from a street, street, threatening positive transition strategy. The front line, reinforced by Ragnar Magan, Ole Romani, and Marcelino Ferdinand, was considered pretty good at obliging space Indonesian support viewed this victory as redemption. After the defeat to Australia, they also believed the defensive line led by Jesus Rido and Justin Hartnell should be maintained. Bahrain Dragon Tadalix expressed frustration over the national anthem. The usage of modal in request the request word ability request permission at first possibility and obligation. Lesson objective after going through this lesson you are expected to A. Use a model first correctly in sentence. B. Compose sentence using model and C. Recognize model and their functions. Model first. A model is a type of auxiliary helping verb that is used to express ability, request, about advice, possibility, permission, or obligation. Type of model for ability model can call permission model can call may request model can call may adv- advice model short obligation model must have to possibility model might call might can ability user example user ability example I can speak English permission example can I go to the cinema request examples can you wait a moment please over I can lend you my car till tomorrow suggestion example can we visit grandma at the weekend possibility it can get very hot in Arizona. Use called user ability example I call speak English permission call I go to the cinema quality question call I go to the cinema please request call you wait a moment please over I call line you my car till tomorrow. Suggestion call we visit grandma at the weekend. Possibility it could get very hot in Montana. My user permission example my I go to the cinema. Suggestion my I have you. Possibility it might rain today. My user possibility example it might rain today. Hesi- Hesitant over might I help you? More much user force force necessity. Example I must go to the supermarket today. Possibility you must be tired. Advice you must see the new film with Brad Pitt. Must not and might not. User user prohibition, prohibi- prohibition. Example, you must work on that computer. You might not work on that computer. Need to use something is not negotiable. Example, I needed go to the supermarket. We're going to the restaurant tonight. Ought to similar to shop ought to sound a little less subjective. User advice example. You ought to drive carefully in bad weather. Obligation. You ought to switch off the light when you leave the room. Salt. Suggestion. Example. Salt. I care your back. Salt. Advice. Example. You should drive carefully in bed with her. Obligation. You should switch off the lights when you leave the room. Will. Use request. Example, will you please shut the door? Prediction, prediction. I think it will rain on Friday. Promise I will stop smoking. Spontan, spontan decision. Can somebody drive me to the station? I will. Habit. She is stronger. She'll sit for hours without talking. Activity understanding model. Exer- Exercise can help be able to direction how the correct model for to complete a sentence, copy and drag your answer to the space profit. One I don't One, I don't think I will have much work next week. I think I will drop her, take a day off. Excuse me, drop her. You tell me where the bus station is. They haven't drug her solved the problem yet. She drug her, play the flute and the guitar. When we were younger, we don't have watch movies ever to know. Now we think it's boring. Exercise B. Direction. Cause the correct model first to complete the sentence along with X picture. Sometimes more than one answer is called copy and drag your answer to the speak profile. The girl is playing with dirt. She drag her gets sick if she won't wash her hand afterwards. My mask. Two, the boy is daydreaming. I wonder what we drag her be thinking. My mask. Galinda Galinda's father bought her blow bubbles for her birthday. She's blah 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 be very heavy. My much Sophia is worried about her dying plane. She's to her whether it and place it on a sunny spot for it to recover. My Mike Mouse, you are reporting your plan. That looks fun. Rahar, why have you, my Mouse, exercise apply it? Direction create 5 sentences using 5 different model of your password. Then on your spiral sheet of paper. Answer K. Exercise A. 1. Be able to do code. 3. Be able to 4 can 5 code. Exercise B. I might my to make my 3 miles 4 miles 5 my. Thank you for listening.